Hi guys, Python for absolutely beginners. So today we will discuss types of error with a detailed example you can understand easily. Welcome to successbench channel. If you not subscribe, please subscribe and do share. Otherwise you will miss the important matter.
Error. First one is system error. What is the meaning of system error? Means it raised by versus when syntax error is encounter. Sorry. So I will tell you example. With that example, you can understand easily. While you display or define the string, we need to write in double quotation mark. Welcome to double quotation mark. If you not write, suppose if you write in single quotation mark, then it will come error, that is the system error. Next one is intentional error. So what is the meaning of intentional error? Means it arises by when there is a incorrect of intention. So for when there is a intention incorrect of intention means I will tell you with example. For I in range equal to 10, print I. So if you not leave here some space, then it is the intentional error. If you write like this is not intentional error. Next one, index error. If index is sequence is out of the bond, that is the index error. Means you give any two numbers. If you print three numbers, then it is a error. For example, length equal to 0 and 1. Print so this length how much 2, no? So here no error will come. Here length 0 comma 1, print length equal to 3. So it is above of the sequence of the bond, above of the bond. Like here only two values, so we print here length equal to 3. So error will come, that is the index error. The next one is key error. If non-existent key requested for set or dictionary, this is the key error. For example, d equal to name equal to a, rule number equal to 24, and branch. Here we are not can mention any branch. So if you print any branch, so then key error will come. That is the key error. Non-existent key. Next one is name error. If non-existent identifier, then it is a name error. For example, a b c equal to 10 20 30. So you print e, so there is no there is here not consider any e value. So this is the name error. It is a unknown name, that is called name error. If you write any a or b c, then it is not name error. It is output will come properly. Then type error. When drawn type of parameter is set to the function like that, for example, a equal to welcome, b equal to 10, print a plus b, it's not possible. Why? Here we assign into character of string of character. Here we are assigning what is that integer. So it is not possible to a plus b. Then it is a type error. Last one is value error. When the parameter has invalid value, then it is the then it is the value error. Thank you guys, I hope this concept you understood. So please subscribe my channels and support